Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to enable ultra steady mode on this device. So first of all, you'll have to switch to the video mode by pressing this quick switch button. Then you go to the video mode, and when you're in video mode you just have to swipe your finger like this. Go to its resolution and FPS settings, and in some of the sets, like for example in 720p and in 240 FPS, you can't use Rocksteady, but you can in other modes. For example, in 60 FPS you can use Rocksteady. Here you can switch this function. In 4K 60 FPS you can also do this. In 4K resolution with 3:4, 4:3, you can use Rocksteady, unfortunately, but in different modes you can. In one mode you can use it, in another modes you can't, but that's how you can switch this function. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.